Good morning everyone, this is Vaishnavi from Technical Days. We'll update you on the Nifty as well as USD technical outlook. In previous week, index start week on the flat note and traded with extreme volatility on either side throughout the week. It has closed around 8089 with loss of 82 points on week basis. On the weekly chart, index has formed a doji candlestick pattern and it carries long shadows on both sides, which signals extreme volatility as well as indecisiveness among the market participants regarding the direction. On the weekly chart, index has formed a higher top higher bottom formation which indicates sustained uptrend. The chart pattern indicates that if Nifty trade and sustains above 8130 levels, then it may witness further strength in the range of 8180 to 8300 levels. From current levels, immediate short-term support zone is around 8000 mark, and any violation of this support zone on closing basis will indicate the further correction in the range of 7920 to 7900 levels. Currently, Nifty is sustaining above its 50, 100 as well as 200-day simple moving average, which supports bullish sentiment in medium to long term. Hence, as Nifty is in uptrend across all the time frames, any short-term correction will remain as a buying opportunity for traders. For the week, we expect Nifty to trade in the range of 8300 to 7950 levels with positive bias. On the indicator front, the weekly strength indicator RSI is in positive territory and it is quoting above reference line indicating sustained strength, whereas the momentum indicator stochastic has turned negative from overbought zone, which signals possible consolidation at current level. Some positive bias stock for the day are Bajaj Finserv, Allahabad Bank, Dabur, Exide Industry, Godrej Industry, M&M and Bajaj Auto, whereas some negative bias stock for the day are L&T and ONGC. Moving to the USD technical outlook, in previous trading session, USD opened sharply higher with an upward gap and it has traded with positive bias in initial half. It has marked a day high around 68.25 levels. However, profit booking at higher levels erased most of the earlier gains, which led USD to close around 67.98 with gain of 1.04%. On the daily chart, USD has formed a bullish candle and it carries long upper shadow indicating selling pressure as well as resistance at higher levels. However, it has decisively broken out its multiple resistance zone of 67.83 levels on closing basis, which remains a positive sign at current level. For the day, we expect USD to trade with positive bias and any sustainable move above 68 level will indicate the further intraday strength in the range of 68.20 to 68.30 levels. On the downside, an immediate intraday support zone is around 67.85 levels. On the indicator front, the daily strength indicator RSI as well as momentum indicator stochastic both are in positive territory indicating sustained strength at current level. Thank you.